Signing up to a TNT workshop, it fills you with excitement, but it also fills you with dread. Why would you sign up to something that fills you with so much dread? So first of all, TNT takes inspiration from a path called Crazy Wisdom, which means that a lot of the practices that we do on the workshops will get you out of your comfort zone. So of course that's scary. Another thing is we work with very polarizing subjects. Sexuality, we confront the ego, we also confront your conditioning. Polarizing subjects will make you either hate it or love it. Another thing is sometimes the dread could be what I like to call repulsion equals secret attraction. So it could be that it's actually something you really, really, really want, but then somehow your mind or your conditioning is sabotaging it. So there's a few things you can do to overcome this. So first, you can just reach out to us. Write to us from the TNT website. Talk about your concerns. You can also book a private session. If you just want to do a one-on-one thing, then you don't have the whole group pressure. Or come to an intro talk, or just book level 1. Level 1 is clothes on only. And you'll learn Tantra, but without having to go all the way to getting naked. So if you're especially nervous about level 2, just book level 1 and then decide in a moment if you want to move on to level 2. So that would be my tips if you are dreading but also quite excited about joining a TNT workshop.